How can I build multiple submit buttons Django form? I have form with one input for email and two submit buttons to subscribe and unsubscribe from newsletter. I have also class form. I must write my own clean_email method, and I need to know by which button was form submitted. But the value of submit buttons aren't in self.cleaned_data dictionary. Could I get values of buttons otherwise?
You can use self.data in the clean_email method to access the post data before validation. It should contain a key called newsletter_sub or newsletter_unsub depending on which button was pressed.
E.g.
You can also do like this. Code.
It's an old question now, nevertheless I had the same issue and found a solution that works for me. I wrote multivariate mixin.
Fresh workshop.